Did you know that eggplant can be a powerful ally in controlling blood sugar? Many people are still unaware of the benefits of this versatile vegetable. Eggplant contains soluble fibers that help slow glucose absorption, contributing to stable blood sugar levels. Additionally, it is rich in antioxidants that protect cells and prevent chronic diseases. Including eggplant in your daily diet can bring positive results for those looking to prevent or manage diabetes. Studies show that regular eggplant consumption significantly reduces blood glucose levels in people with type 2 diabetes. This occurs because the fibers in eggplant promote slower digestion, preventing sugar spikes. Another benefit is the presence of bioactive compounds, such as flavonoids and phenolics, which improve insulin sensitivity and reduce inflammation in the body. The combination of these factors makes eggplant an excellent natural option for maintaining glycemic balance. There are many ways to consume eggplant without losing its nutrients. You can grill it, cook it, add it to soups, or even include it in green juices. A tip is to avoid excessive frying, as this can compromise its health benefits. Incorporating eggplant into salads and side dishes is also a practical and tasty alternative. Small changes in daily eating habits can have a huge impact on blood sugar control and overall health. Moreover, eggplant also helps control cholesterol, supports digestive health, and can aid weight management, all important factors for maintaining proper glucose levels. It is worth noting that although eggplant is a beneficial natural food, it should be part of a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle, including regular physical activity. Therefore, if you are looking for a natural way to help control blood sugar, eggplant is an excellent option. Start including this food in your menu and observe the gradual results. Try different recipes and discover how easy it is to make eggplant a tasty and healthy part of your routine. Never underestimate the power of consistent small changes. Your body and health will thank you.
The channel's main mission is to transform solidarity into meaningful action. Every contribution received is directed towards supporting people in vulnerable situations, providing essential help in areas such as food, clothing, medicine, and, whenever possible, opportunities for reintegration into the job market. Sadly, many families face daily struggles to meet their most basic needs, and this is where the channel seeks to make a difference. Donations, whether large or small, are vital to keeping this movement alive. With transparency as a guiding principle, all collected funds are dedicated to initiatives that improve the quality of life for those who need it most. Beyond material support, the channel also promotes awareness campaigns, encouraging a culture of empathy and cooperation among its followers. We believe that every act of generosity can create a chain of hope, positively impacting not only those who receive, but also those who give. By contributing, you become part of a supportive network that transcends barriers and proves that together we can build a fairer and more compassionate future. Your collaboration is more than a donation. It is an act of love and transformation.